Doing an alternator on a 2005 Cadillac DeVille DTS. That was big bucks back then. That's what I take off to do an alternator. I take the fans, the cross brace, and that's it. I took the fender well cover off, but really didn't have to do that. And I kind of lift the radiator off the mounts and just pull it forward, and I can get straight access to the alternator. I already got the bolt from the bottom. That's why I removed the fender cover shield. One bolt here. Okay, I had to take the connector off and I couldn't hold and record. Pulls right up right here. There it is on ground. So you move the brace, the fans, the cover, and then you remove this to get to the bottom bolt, and that's it. Northstar alternator replacement.